Tired of breaking your back in the garden? Discover how this electric tiller can revolutionize your gardening experience. Imagine effortlessly preparing your garden beds with minimal effort. The Bucotod 18-inch 13.5 amp tiller cultivator makes this a reality. It's designed for gardeners, homeowners, and landscapers seeking efficiency and ease. This electric garden rototiller features a powerful 3.5A copper motor. It delivers robust performance for various soil conditions. The 18-inch cultivation width covers more ground quickly. The Bucotod tiller boasts 6 steel tines with a cross-structure design. This ensures stability and efficient soil breaking. You can adjust the tilling depth from 4 to 8 inches. Safety is paramount with its double safe feature. This includes a safety button and over-temperature protection. The foldable handle makes storage and transportation simple. Customers rave about its power and ease of use. One user described it as a pure beast that tore through hard red clay. Another highlighted its efficiency in preparing soil for planting. The adjustable wheels offer 3 height settings for controlled tilling depth. The electric corded design ensures consistent power without battery concerns. It's a convenient and reliable tool. While overwhelmingly positive, some users noted concerns about build quality. A few mentioned the need for a nearby power outlet due to the corded design. Consider your garden size and layout. Despite these minor points, the tiller's performance and convenience shine. It's a valuable tool for small to medium-sized gardens. It saves time and effort compared to manual tilling. The package includes the tiller, upper and lower handles, and wheels. Washers, knobs, bolts, hitch pins, end caps, and a cord retainer are also included. A user manual is provided for easy setup. These components ensure a complete and ready-to-use package. The foldable handle adds to its portability and storage convenience. You'll have everything you need to start tilling right away. Ready to transform your gardening experience? Check out the Bucotod 18-inch electric tiller cultivator on Amazon, link in description. See what other gardeners are saying and grab yours today. Like and subscribe for more gardening solutions.